We have 1 president, 3 members of parliament, and 4 councillors in front of us. When you ask your question, as I asked earlier, let it be clear and let it be precise and short. If it's directed at any one of the candidates, please so indicate. I will take 3 contributions at a time. I'm not requiring you to necessarily just ask questions. I would like to encourage you to also advance ideas and suggestions to these leaders so that when they get into office on August 1, they will take your ideas and add them to theirs so that we can get action. Right.
Ndoda kubvunzawo avo vari kumirira pati hama yemujuru
Vakaningoni.
kuti baba mati hama yemujuru ndehama vedu. How? Nokuti hama yemujuru was there in before 1980 vanga varipo zvichiitika izvi kusvika patasvika apa. How can she be a mother?
Mayamujuru is the mother of the nation on a number of issues. This country's independence is born out of liberation. She was the first and only female commander, 1. 2, she was the youthful minister in the women's affairs who brought to you all these rights we are now talking about. I just want to remind you now. She was involved in the Beijing. She was the minister of, yes, she was the minister of women's affairs at one time. And, no. You are talking of Beijing, equal rights, and when you go for maternity leave, before, you take off and you would be moved from the place, whether you were a nurse or a teacher. But when Mayam Juru was the minister of women's affairs, she took the rights of the women to a next level so that we are all equal, even in workplaces.